my name is Falguni Chavda and I am from Rajkot, Gujrat. I have completed my B.Sc from Noble Science College, Junagadh, Gujrat. I got to know about Evision through one of my friend who had been past student at Evision. And after getting knowledge about Evision, I joined 45 days of classes, and in this course, I have learned about virtualization, communication, Windows administration, Windows Server, CCNA, ITIL, and many more things. To learning under Evision gives me confidence and positive vibes. And the interesting part about Evision is their faculties never give up on students and commitment towards practical learning. So after completed my course, I got a job in Outworks Solution, Ahmedabad, with the package of 2.8 LPA. So yes, thank you so much, Evision, for giving me this opportunity.